Hi everybody, I thought I'd give you a short video today on how to make a light up LED Christmas ornament using a little bit of electronics and a little bit of hand tools. So here we go. So first thing you're going to need to do is cut out your ornament. As you can see, I cut mine out of a sheet of plexiglass or acrylic, made a Christmas tree. I guess you could use a scroll saw, a router, a milling machine, a laser cutter, a whole bunch of items. The next thing you want to do is, your ornament will be clear like this once you peel the protective paper off. And this doesn't work very well for the LEDs. So what I did is just take a little bit of white spray paint and just dust one side of the ornament. You're not trying to make it solid, you just want like a coating to give the light something to reflect off of and light up. Draw yourself a little hole for your hanger too. So let's talk about the LEDs. I bought LEDs, these fairly standard size LED here. And there may be a 5mm, don't remember. Usually they have a long lead and a short lead telling you which way is the positive and which way is the minus. I have a battery here, a CR2032. You can buy these in bulk for fairly cheap. What I'll show you is we'll put the LED across both sides of the battery. Nothing happens. So turn it around, put it across, and you see my LED works. So that tells you which way to go. In this case, the short lead on the top rebuttal. So for my needs, these leads are too long. So I'm going to take some cutters and I'm going to cut them shorter. And I'm going to leave the short one short and the long one slightly longer, just so I can tell them apart. Okay, so you cut the lead shorter. And also, okay. Now, the next thing is we need something to hold the battery and the light and everything on. So what I did is I took a clothespin and I modified it so that it fits better on my ornament. Started out with a long clothespin this way, and I cut the ends of it off with a saw. It's very easy to do, soft, easy wood. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is on the painted side, because that'll help hide this, and with the opening here, okay, we're going to glue it onto our ornament with hot melt glue. Guess you could try something else, probably epoxy or some of those fancy craft glues, but I think just hot melt will work fine. Glue that on there for a moment. Okay, I'm going to let it cool. Now, we take our LED with the shortened leads. Make sure we still have the right orientation here. And it is, it works fine. I'm going to bend it downwards a little bit so it faces downwards here. Okay. Take this LED and the battery and make sure that you get underneath the clothespin so that you're squeezing the leads down. There, and the ornament's almost ready. Just take a piece of wire that I have cut here, put it through the top. Okay, give a little twist, a fancy twist if you want, called lineman's twist. Okay. So I don't have sharp ends sticking out. And there is your light up LED Christmas ornament that you could easily make at home. Another source for LEDs might be that you cut up an LED light string. How long does the battery last? I don't know. This is my first one I made. I think from similar projects I've heard before, maybe half a day to 2 or 3 days, in that range. I'm not quite sure with these rainbow LEDs that you can buy online. So hope you